Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're creating this look right here using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I did a look with this last week and you guys went mad for it on Instagram. I had so many requests to do this video, so here it is. Look at the colours in this. Stunning. This palette is so amazing. I literally love it so much, so I had loads of fun filming this tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so my eyelids are already primed with the P. Louise base in the shade number 4 and I think we should just jump right in. So I'm taking a Zoeva 227 brush and this kind of chocolate brown shade here. By the way, this is literally my favourite brown eyeshadow at the moment. I can't stop using it, it's so good. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer part of my eye, just to kind of build that colour up. And then I'm just going to move it through the crease. If you're kind of thinking, oh my god, why is she not blending her eyeshadow? It's because I do all my eyeshadow looks like this. I just lay the pigment down first and then I blend it out later. So at this beginning stage, we're just putting that brown eyeshadow down, laying that pigment down, just so we get maximum colour payoff. I mean, these eyeshadows are really pigmented anyway, but to get the maximum colour payoff from your eyeshadows, I do recommend using the P. Louise base first. It's just amazing, it's so hydrating and it just makes your colours look insane. So the best way for you to get maximum colour payoff with your eyeshadows is not to set your base. Next I'm going in with a MAC 217 brush and this orange shade here. And I'm just going to use that to blend out this brown shade, just kind of like lay that colour over the top. And again, I'm just kind of like tickling the eyeshadow on, pressing it on. I'm not actually like buffing it into the base. I really want the pigment to stand out, so I'm literally just tickling it on. Same on the other side. And then I'm taking a MAC 224 and this yellow shade in the middle here. And I'm just going to run that between the orange and my eyebrow. So again, I'm just very lightly tickling the eyeshadow on. I'm not like really going in hard and swirling it. I'm just very lightly grazing over that eyeshadow base. So I'm just going back in with the Zoeva 227 and this chocolate brown shade again, and we're just going to deepen the colours up and make them more pigmented. So yeah, I went to the Gypsy Shrine Christmas party last night. It was so good. It was so nice to like finally meet everyone who I've been talking to for a few months, and they're literally such an amazing team, and the products that they're coming out with in 2019, you're not ready. Honestly, like they are coming out with some amazing products and some of them I'm just like, oh my god, I literally need that right now. Going back in with the MAC 217 and this orange shade, and we're just going to run that between the yellow and the brown just to kind of bring that colour back. It was just such an unreal night. This morning I had the worst headache. I swear it takes like 2 drinks and then I'll have a headache the next day. Alcohol just doesn't agree with my body. I woke up with the worst headache. I think I'm getting old. I think that's what it is. I just had a cup of tea and had a shower, washed my hair and put all my creams on, all my moisturiser, serum, and it just made me feel so much better, and I was like, okay, now I'm ready to film. Yeah, I met so many lovely people, and Jenna, the owner of the company, is literally so incredible. She's an absolutely amazing, inspirational woman, so I'm so looking forward to everything that we're going to do in 2019 with the Gypsy Shrine, so lots of stuff coming on my channel, so I hope you're excited for that. Okay, so now we've got that blend all nice and seamless. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a half cut crease. So I'm just going to start cutting the crease using the P. Louise base and a MAC 252 brush. And then I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and just kind of like tap the outsides of my eye, just to make sure that when we put the colours down here on the outside of the eye, the P. Louise base is really thin, so we're going to get a nice blend between the lid colour and the shadows that we're going to put on the outside of the eye. So now we're going to add a pop of colour on the lid, so I'm using the same MAC 252 brush. This has got a tiny little bit of P. Louise base worked into it, and I'm taking this shimmery teal shade and I'm just going to pack that right over where we've cut the crease. And because we've got a little bit of P. Louise base left in this brush, it just makes it easier to go back in with this lid colour, because you're going to get a really precise line of where we've cut the crease. Then I'm going to take a Zoeva winged liner brush and this chocolate brown shade again. I'm just going to follow along where that cut crease is, and I'm just wanting to put this back in and make the cut crease look a little bit darker. It just makes your cut crease look so much better, and if you watch my James Charles video, I did it in that video too. And then I'm just going to go over where we put that and buff that into the orange again. It's just making sure that we've still got that dark brown shade there. It just makes the contrast between the lid colour and the rest of the eyeshadow so much better and deeper and all that good stuff. And then I'm just going to focus that chocolate brown shade onto the outer corner again, where the teal is meeting the rest of the eyeshadows. Same on the other side. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of that orange shade and kind of buff it between the teal and the brown here, just to kind of get a little bit more of a gradient going on. Then moving on to under eye, I'm going to take this chocolate brown shade on a Zoeva 231, and I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line. And for my waterline, I'm going to be using this Kiko Lasting Precision eyeliner in 09. Then I'm taking a MAC 217 and that orange shade again, and I'm just going to run that right underneath the brown shade. Same as what we did on top, just layering the colours again. And then of course taking the MAC 224 and the yellow shade and going right underneath that as well. Okay, so I'm just going to pop some mascara and some lashes on, and I'll be back right with you. Okay guys, so I've popped on some mascara and some lashes, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial on how to get this. Loads of you requested it, so please subscribe, please hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave me a lovely little comment in the comment section below. And anything you want to see as a tutorial, pop that in the comment section below as well. Everything that's on my face right now, including my foundation and concealer, all that good stuff that wasn't mentioned in this video, will be linked in the description box as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!